The architects were honored to design a dream retreat for a loyal client couple. The concept focused on seamless harmony between indoor and outdoor spaces, creating a sense of expansiveness beyond the limits of the property. The facade features patterned concrete panels for privacy, complemented by a striking blue entrance. Inside, varied ceiling heights and exposed concrete enhance spatial depth. Sliding doors, large windows, and cobogó panels bring in natural light and ventilation while ensuring privacy. When the sliding doors open, the living room seamlessly connects with the garden, pool, and kitchen. Materials like porcelain tiles extending from the pool to the interior blur the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. A neutral color palette highlights the carefully selected furnishings for a cohesive and refined look. A unique V-shaped pillar spans 12 meters, serving as both a sculptural centerpiece and structural support. It frames the surrounding landscape while supporting the cantilevered walls of the house. The architects also prioritized a functional home office with a view of an internal tree and designed a master suite featuring a bathtub overlooking the same serene greenery. Skylights throughout the house provide natural light and create dynamic shadow patterns as the sun moves, enriching the living experience. The roof is equipped with solar panels for energy efficiency, while the property features rainwater collection systems, permeable paving, and an EV-ready garage, reflecting a commitment to sustainability and modern living.